Okay, so here we are, Wednesday, August 7th, 1:10. Okay, great. And this is about this, what is this? DIATONE JR-911. Alright, this takes 10D batteries. And I didn't open this, but let's see. Okay, it's there. Okay. Another mistake that I bought. This one does have a handle. Handle recesses up in there like that. Just kind of interesting idea, right? This one looks like that, and I just videoed that thing there. Anyway, so this one here, it's all in Japanese. I don't know how it works. Just thought I'd show it to you, but if you flip one of these switches, there. So the tuner doesn't change. It does have, the volume does work, but like that. Okay, so probably need to go in there and figure out why that's not working. And of course, if we flip it over to something different, if we hit the tape button, you can hear a click. Wait. Pause, play, this, nothing. And if it were standing upright, well, there we go. You can open it up, you can look inside, and it's got all that, but nothing else to know about it. There's whatever that is. Okay, it's got both antennas. It's got everything else to it, just a short little nothing. Okay, so that's just another problem I bought. Maybe I can get the tuner to tune and tape player to work, but you know, everything I buy is not a good deal. Alright, well, anyway, so I have one. If anyone wants it or whatever, they can send me an email to there and or whatever. Alright, so just wanted to, I'm not trying to repair this one right away. It's something I had that I bought a long time ago and just want to show it to you for what I know about it. Okay, thanks, good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed, gotta go, bye-bye.